Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve Irish-Name-Repo 1 PicoCTF. So let's start. To solve this problem you need a brief knowledge of SQL injection. So after coming in this page, go to admin login and here give any username and anything password, then try to log in and it says login failed. So now what we will do, put a single quote here and then try to log in. Now say what it says. It says that SQLite query unable to prepare a statement. So that means there is a SQL injection vulnerability in the page. So now what we will do is again put another single quote. Now then login. So it says login failed. That means there is SQL injection vulnerability. Okay, so now we will try to bypass the password checking. So now what we have to do is now we will try to bypass the login password checking with SQL injection attack. So now first write anything like a, then put one single quote, then space, and then capital OR, then again space, single quote, one single quote equals to single quote 1. Now press login. And you can see that it logged in, and here is the flag. Copy this and submit the flag. So it's done. Thanks for watching.